From the OBTV Live Weather Center, this is your Day Planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com. Your Day Planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Hey, big things going on early September or mid-September. In Snowden Grove, Saturday, September 13th from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., the first annual North Mississippi Hummingbird Festival will take place at Hummingbird Park at Snowden Grove, and you'll hear more about all of these outstanding speakers that you can listen to on that date and other activities planned also. At 8 a.m. today, I expect our skies to be sunny, 83 degrees already. Noon today, 96 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Winds today from the northeast at 5 miles an hour, and by 5 p.m., partly cloudy skies, just a slight chance for a thunderstorm in the area. Temperature around 98 degrees. I'm Sam Reichert. Have a great day.